इस वीडियो को हिंदी भाषा में देखने के लिए सेटिंग्स में जाकर हिंदी ऑडियो चुनें। Namaskar. Welcome to Simplify Your Space. Homemaking is a journey where you learn something new every day. Household chores are definitely not easy. Some tasks can be quite challenging, and often we don't know how to tackle them properly, especially when they are related to specific cleaning tasks. In today's video, I will be sharing some super useful cleaning tips and hacks that can make your homemaking journey much smoother. So let's get started. While washing clothes, sometimes the color from one garment transfer onto another. For example, my white kurta got stained with color from a red garment. Many times this can completely ruin your outfit, making it unwearable. To remove the color stain, I have a fantastic DIY cleaner for you. Here is what you'll need. 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent, 3 tablespoons of fabric whitener or bleach, 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Mix all these ingredients well. If the stain is on colored clothes, you can use hydrogen peroxide instead of fabric whitener, which is easily available at chemist shops or online. Now, using an old toothbrush, apply this cleaning solution to the stained area properly. Let it sit for 2 to 3 hours. You will see that the color stain starts to disappear. Next, take a tub or bucket with warm water, add a little detergent and soak the garment in it for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, wash it normally and let it dry. And look at that, the stain is completely gone. This was my favorite kurta and I was really worried whether the stain would come out or not. Let me also show you the back side so you can be sure that the color has completely disappeared. Another common clothing problem is ball pen and ink stains, which can be very difficult to remove. Here I have a white bedsheet with a ball pen mark that did not come out with a regular laundry wash. To remove ball pen stains, all you need is hand sanitizer, which is easily available in every home these days. Simply apply the sanitizer to the stain and leave it for a few minutes. You will notice that the ink starts to spread slightly, meaning the stain is loosening. Now take an old toothbrush and gently scrub the area. In just a short time, the stain will start to disappear. I found this hack incredibly useful. My husband's white shirt also had pen stains on the pocket, making it unwearable. I tried the same trick, applied sanitizer, and to my surprise, the stain started loosening. With the help of a toothbrush, I scrubbed the area and most of the ink was removed. Since the stain was inside the pocket, it was a bit tricky to clean completely. Another reason was that it was an old stain, which made it harder to remove. After treating the stain, wash the fabric by hand or in washing machine as usual. Look, the stain is completely vanished from the bedsheet. And now let's look at the shirt. Since it was an old stain and the shirt had already been washed and ironed at least 10 to 15 times, only a small faint mark remains. If the stain is fresh like the one on the bedsheet, this trick can help remove it 100% effectively. We all use artificial plants and flowers to decorate our homes. Over time, a lot of dust accumulates on them, making them look dull and dirty. To clean them, take warm water in your kitchen sink or a large tub. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of laundry detergent and 2 cups of white vinegar. Now soak the artificial plants and flowers in this solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Vinegar is an excellent cleaning agent and helps remove dust effortlessly. After 15 minutes, gently swish the flowers in the water to loosen any dust stuck in the corners. Finally, rinse them with clean water and let them dry. Look how beautifully they have been cleaned and restored to their original shine. If you use an egg boiler to boil eggs, over time it can get dirty like this. Brown color deposits and stains accumulate at the base. To clean it, first take some water and add vinegar to it. Turn on the egg boiler and let the mixture heat up. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times to loosen the stubborn deposits. When you do it for the last time, turn off the boiler once the water reduces to half. Now add a little dishwashing liquid and baking soda to the remaining solution. Use an old toothbrush to scrub the base gently. Since the deposits are already loosened, you won't need to put in much effort. A light scrub will remove all the dirt. Once the water turns completely brown, discard it. Wipe the boiler with a damp cloth to remove any remaining residues. Look how perfectly clean it has become. For the egg tray, use the same solution, water, vinegar and dishwashing liquid to clean it. After following these steps, your egg boiler will look spotless and shiny just like new. If you use packing cubes and pouches like I do to organize your travel essentials, you must have noticed how dirty they get during trips. If left unclean, they can develop a bad odor, and due to trapped moisture, they can even grow mold or fungus over time. That's why it is essential to clean them properly after every trip. Cleaning them is incredibly easy. Simply unzip all the compartments and toss them into the washing machine. Add laundry detergent along with a little vanish stain remover for better cleaning. Set the machine's RPM between 600 and 800 to avoid excessive spinning and prevent damage. In no time, your packing cubes and pouches will be thoroughly cleaned. Once washed, air dry them completely before storing to ensure no moisture remains. Look at how fresh and spotless they are now. After regular use, our sneakers and slippers get dirty, and while they can be cleaned in a washing machine, drying them takes almost an entire day. But what if you need to clean your shoes instantly and only have 5 to 10 minutes? In such cases, you can use a car interior cleaning spray, which is typically used for cleaning car seats. Simply spray it generously over your shoes and leave it for 5 minutes. The foam will start to settle on its own, loosening the dirt. After that, take an old toothbrush or big bristle brush and start scrubbing. The foam will help break down the dirt, making it easy to remove without much effort. Once scrubbed, wipe the shoes using a damp cloth and they will look fresh and clean without even washing them in water. To show the difference, I cleaned only one shoe from the pair and the contrast was clearly visible. I even cleaned the slippers using the same method and the results were amazing. This is the dirty one and this is the clean one. This hack is perfect if you are in a hurry and need your shoes instantly ready to wear. We use different types of makeup brushes and beauty blenders while applying makeup, and over time they accumulate dirt, oil and leftover product. Regular cleaning is essential, as using dirty brushes can lead to skin issues like breakouts and irritation. To clean them effectively, fill a mug or jug with warm water. Add a little mild shampoo and 1/4 cup of vinegar, then mix the solution well. Now soak all the brushes and beauty blenders in this solution for about an hour. To ensure the beauty blenders stay fully submerged, place a small weight on top of them. The vinegar helps break down the makeup residue, making the cleaning process much easier. After an hour, you will notice that the water has changed color, indicating that a lot of product buildup has been removed. Now take a clean bowl or mug with fresh water and rinse the brushes thoroughly. At this time, you can also add a few drops of olive oil to the water to keep the bristles soft, or use a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant fragrance. If any brush still has some leftover makeup, gently rub it against a plate or bowl's base to remove the remaining residue before rinsing again. For beauty blenders, rinse them in clean water 2 to 3 times, squeezing gently until all the makeup residue is completely washed out. Finally, leave them to air dry for at least a day. You might notice some stains on the outer layer of the beauty blender, but don't worry, they are clean. Avoid storing them until they are completely dry, as moisture can lead to fungal growth. Cane and wicker baskets and planters are quite trendy these days, and I love using them for home decor and organization. However, over time they accumulate a lot of dust, which often goes unnoticed due to their natural material and neutral color. To clean them properly, you can make a simple DIY cleaning spray at home. Take a spray bottle and mix equal parts water and vinegar. Add 1 tablespoon of dish liquid and your homemade cleaning solution is ready. Spray this solution generously all over the baskets and planters, covering both the inside and outside. Let it sit for 5 minutes to loosen the dirt. Next, scrub them using an old toothbrush, a bristle brush or a microfiber cloth. I am using this large brush. Make sure to scrub every corner and gap so that all the dust stuck in the crevices comes off completely. As I have mentioned before, vinegar is very helpful in loosening stubborn dust. After scrubbing, there is no need to rinse them with water. Simply place all the baskets and planters in the sun to dry. Sunlight also helps eliminate the vinegar smell. Sometimes when writing stays on a whiteboard for too long, it becomes difficult to erase with a regular duster. I recently faced the same issue with my kitchen whiteboard where the old writing just wouldn't come off. And yes, please ignore my bad handwriting here. To clean it effortlessly, take a waste cloth and apply some sanitizer. Simply rub the board with the cloth and instantly all the stains will wipe off smoothly. Now, what if you accidentally use a permanent marker instead of a whiteboard marker? That can be quite tricky to remove. But don't worry, Sanitizer works like magic here too. Just follow the same process and even the stubborn permanent marker stains will disappear easily. Sanitizer can be used to clean many other things too. One of the most commonly used items is the computer keyboard. With daily use, keyboards collect dust, fingerprints and grime, making them look dull and unhygienic. To clean it, take a tissue or a soft cloth and apply a small amount of sanitizer. Gently wipe the keyboard and you will be surprised to see how much dirt was stuck on it. Sanitizer not only cleans but also disinfects the surface, making it germ-free. You can also use this method to clean your laptop, monitor or computer screen, but please always use a scratch-free glass cleaning cloth to wipe the screen and avoid damage. Over time, scrunchies and elastic hairbands get dirty and start smelling due to daily use, sweat and product buildup. Here is a super easy way to clean them in no time. Simply place all your scrunchies and hairbands in a mesh laundry bag and toss them into the washing machine whenever you do your regular laundry. The mesh bag prevents them from getting tangled while ensuring a deep clean. Once washed, air dry them and that's it. Your scrunchies and hairbands will be fresh, clean and good as new. And that's all for today. I hope you found these cleaning hacks and tips helpful. Which hack did you like the most? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and share it with your friends and family. And subscribe to Simplify Your Space for more such videos. I'll see you again next week. Until then, happy cleaning from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.